Hello everybody. Hello Exile. Hello Uncle Mark. Hello Twin. Hello Nightmare. Hello Poodle Fake. Wait. First of all, Exile, are you? I saw the photo of Exile. I saw he looks so cute. One look at that photo. Those who know who in that Discord and saw that photo, I was like, can we adopt him? I'm like that. How dare Canada not accept him in? Like, have you seen his face? Like, what is he going to do? What is the worst thing that this guy can do? Huh? Dude, I saw that photo. The first thing that went through is like, how can Canada deny him? Bro, you know what? Next time, when you're sending in your appeal or your application or your denial revival or whatever, just send in that picture of you holding a burger. Just send that picture. They're going to be like, I mean, come on, bro. This guy. Oh, dude. What is he going to do? Pull the heist of the century? Even caption loves me. Oh my god. Hi Legend. Hello Moxie. Oh, but first of all, yeah, Exile, you're lucky. You get to play with the dogs. I'm kind of jealous. Is he sweet and kind? Honestly, Exile, I saw his picture. He looks sweet and kind. Are you excited? I am. A lot of them are already there. Twin is already there. I think Twin is with RSK, right? Exile is already there, but he is not in Canada, he's in America now. So, I don't know what's happening. I think what's happening, the plan so far is, bro, I can't wait to adventure there properly in the morning. Bro, like, do it together, man. Okay, yeah, but you're here for quite a while. No, Twin is at his place. Oh, okay. Twin is, where's Twin from? Canada? Because I know RSK went to the airport to pick him up. Am I coming to Canada? Yes. Yo, okay, first of all, the Canada, I live in Georgia. Where is that? Canada? 2 hours away from Atlanta. Wait, Twin, then how did you meet RSK? Why were you, huh? I don't understand. Why were you there? Sup, noobs? Exile reminded me of a cuter abs. Wait, then why did Twin? I haven't. Oh, that was not Twin. That was Send It. Sorry, I'm getting confused. I apologize. That was Send It and Pray. Okay, so Send It. Yeah. I'm sorry. Idiot. Okay. I got confused. It was Send It. So Send It is with RSK right now, right? So wait, what is the plan? Bro, did you see the size comparisons in the photos? No, I just saw his height, but I did not see the comparison. Is there a comparison out? I mean, I saw your face, hella cute, but I didn't see the height comparison. I just saw him. But there's no side-by-side photo. RSK is under his right shoulder. Oh my god, which I think he will be, center will be like this taller than me, I think. Check RSK's general. Oh, okay. Where is RSK's general? RSK. Here. Why is... Oh, that's a Canadian. RSK's general. Oh my god. Yo, Exile, there's more photos of you with the doggo. Exile is such a good looking human being, bro. Look at him. How they rejected that face, man. That cutie patootie, 90% Portuguese, 1% Indian face, man. Even the dog is like, oh my god, that's my brother. And look how excited he is. Team Water Tea. Hello, Jor123. Jor, in another 14 hours, will be departing to Canada. Who's running Exile's Opal Mines while he's... No idea. Dude, why is RSK so short? Side by side, RSK is up to his shoulder. Caspian is so cute. I can imagine. I can imagine. What are you doing in Canada? Not yet. We'll be flying tomorrow morning. We're going to meet with RSK, Sendit, and the whole gang. And then we are driving in from Canada to Atlanta for DreamHack. I think so, we're going to bypass like Niagara Falls, do a few things there, and then go to DreamHack, spend 3 to 4, 5 days there, and then drive back to Canada. And then in Canada, we'll spend 1 week. But I don't know now. Hopefully, by the time we go back to Canada, Exile gets his visa all sorted, so he can also come in with us. Otherwise, honestly, Exile, we can... it depends on RSK's schooling schedule as well. But if he doesn't have whatever school schedule, we can always just stay in America. We all could chip in for an Airbnb just at the border of his thing and maybe just stay there. You'll probably drive through my state? Oh, really? Which state are you in? Yeah, we're driving in from Toronto to Atlanta. So, New Hampshire. Bro, I have no idea what state is where, bro. My geography is damn bad, especially my USA map. Image. Hello Shakti, Ayub Babala. Very early stream, yeah, because I have to end soon and then I need to go and start packing, and I'm going out for dinner, and there's so much. I haven't even packed my bags. Honestly, these next few days that y'all aren't here, I'm not worrying or thinking about my ETA. Yeah, you know what, Exile, that's the right mentality to have. Just enjoy your time, because I think if you stress too much about that, and then it's going to take away from just your experience. And I know you will not let anything take away from the experience that, other factors that is basically out of your hand to affect your day. So, yeah, let's just enjoy. Las Vegas, Nevada. Nah, not very posh, lots of woods. Oh, wait, New Hampshire is in Las Vegas, Nevada? Really? Buffalo. Yeah, we're going through Buffalo, correct. Yeah, we're going through Buffalo. Where's New Hampshire? Hampshire? Good luck with the flight. Bro, they already banned my freaking account, bro. You know my Aeroplan for Air Canada? Bro, they banned my account. What dumbasses. I logged into my account once to book the flight, and then for the next 1 month, I didn't log in. Today, I want to log in to check my flight details. I was banned. It said unauthorized. No, not unauthorized. Your account has been deactivated. Why though? What did you do? I did nothing. Bro, I think they don't like Indians. Exile's visa is getting problem. My account, I did nothing get deactivated. I didn't even do anything. And then I called the staff, and then they said, oh, it might be because you tried multiple times. I'm like, I logged in once to book my flight tickets. I logged in the second time today to access my account, and I can't access it already. It says deactivated. I only logged in twice. Once when booking, and the second time was today to check my flight details. Y'all better not stay in America. Hope y'all have a great time though. Wish I could meet Dan and them. I mean, you could always just sit in the boot of the car. We're just saying. Western Union did that to me and questioned my activity. Yeah, they said, apparently you have multiple login entries. And multiple failed login entries. And I was like, okay. And it's just like, oh, then the lady on the call said, I need to validate a few things. When is your date of birth? I told her my date of birth. What's your first name, second name, last name? I told her that. Where's you residing? I told her that. And I'm like, okay, so you will need to send an email to validation.documents@aircanada.ca. And I'm like, didn't I just give you all my details to verify everything? She's like, yeah, but yours is stage 2 deactivation. What is this, DEFCON level 5? What am I, a terrorist? So she straight away said, now you need to send in validation, you need to send in a photo ID, you need to send in a proof of residency, and a whole bunch of documents just to activate my account so that I can log in and see my bookings. Huh? But then she's like, oh, but don't worry, there's no issues to your bookings. Your booking is fine, you still can go for your flight, it doesn't matter. It's just you won't get the points. And I'm like, bastard fellow. Talk about me scamming. You guys are scamming me. Exile can go into America because he's from... He can't even go to Canada. Nah, not going down East Coast. Pretty sure Cleveland and then South. Yeah, I don't know the route. They usually know. Just buy a Cessna and fly to Canada. Honestly, if they allow me... If there is a... Ooh, you reminded me. I should bring my license. Maybe I can find a airstrip there that allows me to rent a Cessna. And... Oh, actually, I can't. I can't. You know why? Because my logbook is in Philippines. So I can't. I can't. I need my license. I need my logbook. My logbook is where I write down all my flight activities and details. It's in Philippines. Without my logbook, I'm not allowed to take off. I'll get in trouble. Unless they don't care. Should I just bring my license and then see what happens? Maybe they're like, I'm so keen to see the place. Whose place? Their place in the daylight. It's so fucking beautiful here. Bro, you live in the middle of the desert. Anywhere is beautiful at this point. What do you mean? You see a bush and that is amazing already. That's like the botanical gardens. Dude, you literally live in the batshit middle nowhere. Alice Springs. Even I had to Google what that is. Even the Ayers Rock is more popular than your little county, bro. Now they live on a hill, bro. Your exile. Try to find the safe. Then we try to find the digits code. You know, people rob the Louvre. Rule number 1, never trust Indian. I'm kidding. Exile is not full Indian anyway. they got us Caspian. Keep an eye on this Indian. This one especially. Go into the house, my bag weighed 23 kilos. Come out of the house, my bag weighs 50 kilos. It's like, Shakti, how is it? The open is like toilet paper, their shampoo. You know, like when you go to a hotel and then you steal all the hotel condiments. their teapot is inside, their kettle. Caspian, their dog is also inside my suitcase. If I can wait, talking about if you can carry it, bro, Dan and I were laughing about that earlier. About what? Laughing about what? Am I going to be in a lot of photos? Hopefully. Oh, about the fact that you're in Batshit Nowhere. Most un-Australian thing to do, especially since they opened the door last second to me. Most un-Australian thing to do since they... Right? Oh, letting a stranger into stealing their dog and shit. Yeah. For sure, that topic would have come up. But talking about Air Canada, did you know Air Canada gives you a luggage weight of 23 kilos, okay? Fine. Acceptable. The hand luggage, chat, the hand luggage that you bring onto Air Canada, can anybody tell me what is the maximum weight that you can bring in your hand carry for Air Canada? Anybody, just take a wild, rough guess. 7 kilos? Nope. You'll be shocked. I was shocked. 6 kilos? Nope. Do you guys want to know what it is? 2 kilo. Brother, the suitcase itself will weigh 2 kilo. Do you guys want to know what it is? 20 kilo? 35 kilo for hand carry? It's not... Ayub, it's not 35. It's not 20. I'm going to read out exactly what they said, okay? They said... These are the exact words, okay? No weight limit applies. No weight limit applies to carry on baggage. As long as you can store it in the overhead bin unassisted. So it says your bag must be light enough that you can store it in the overhead bin unassisted. There is a size limit, but there is no weight limit. So when you say light enough, for me, 50 kilos is light enough. I'm Indian. Kid, I'm going to struggle a bit, but you know what? My bag identifies as light. What are you going to do? Isn't that the stupidest thing I've heard? You put 23 kilo for a check-in luggage, maximum 23. And if I have to get another bag, it's 100 Canadian dollars. But hand luggage does not matter. As long as you can put it up, it's brother. Buy a big tungsten block. It's about... Bro, my camera equipment's only, like, I'm talking about, like, I've got my... Bro, I've got so much shit. I've got my tripods. I've got my camera. I've got another tripod. I've got my DJI mics. All this is going to go into my hand carry. My power bank. Trust me, that in itself is probably going to be 20 kilos. And I don't care. It literally says, either like, sir, this is not light. And I'm like, define light. Bro, I swear I studied law. So if they say, sir, it says light enough that you can, I says, yes. Did you read it? Light enough that you can store it in the overhead bin unassisted. I can do it without any assistance. My definition of light is 20 kilo. It's their problem. If they say light enough, it's such a general thing. They're not putting a number. What is light? Like if I go to a gym and I tell someone to carry a bodybuilder carry 20 kilos, like that's light. For me, it's heavy. You get what I mean? I still couldn't believe the price of a double rum coke at the Shah. How much was it? Shakti, are you coming to Canada? Yes, you bet your ass I'm coming to Canada. Airport bars are a joke. Am I going to... Bro, I went to a club in Singapore with my friend. $28 for a Red Bull vodka. $28. Nemo, yes, you're going on the carry-on luggage. You're coming in the carry-on luggage. No, not carry-on. Check-in luggage. Bars are a scam in America and Canada. 30 USD? Go to a club or a spot. Bro, I think we should just buy like... I tell you how Singaporeans do it. We buy alcohol from a liquor store. We drink, like pre-drinks, and then we go to a club or a bar. So we don't have to drink a lot. We just need to drink enough to like maintain our high or whatever. That law just waiting for the right guy to overuse it. Ayub, thank God they don't have that in Indian Airlines. Do you know how Indians will pack their shit? Literally get your own bottle for the price of... Exactly, that's what I'm trying to say. You're right. Which city in Canada? Toronto. God damn, that'll be amazing IRL. Yeah, we're going to do IRL content. We're going to go to Canada. And then we are driving in from Canada to Atlanta. On the way, we are stopping at Niagara Falls and meeting up with M, Ole, and Exile. And then I think towards Atlanta, we're meeting up with Twin. And with us will be RSKX and Send It and Pray and me. We'll be driving down. I think we'll pick up people along the way. Then we're going to DreamHack Atlanta where Kick will be there. Kick staff will be there. Then we're going to spend the whole 3 days, 2 nights, probably longer. Probably we'll come there one day early and leave one day later. So we're going to spend all our time there in DreamHack Atlanta, meet a bunch of people, and then we'll be driving back up again to Canada, and then we'll be staying in Canada for 1 week, or worst case scenario for Exile will be probably in America if we can. Oh my God, gonna drive at DreamHack, smashed. No. Guys, I've flown a flight. No, actually nothing. Amazing. I don't know some of the streamers you mentioned. Yeah, not all are streamers. Send It is a streamer. Twin, I've seen stream every now and then. RSKX is a streamer. Anyways, I probably should try and sleep a little. Think I've slept 15 or so hours since Tuesday morning. Yeah, please get some rest. What's the time there? It's like morning, right? Please sleep, wake up, and then go for a nice walk. I don't know. Do something, have fun. Yeah, but take care, man. Take care. But holy shit, why is freaking RSK so short, bro? Bro, I think I'm going to come to Send It's neck, you know. I think if I stand, I'll be at Send It's neck. My height will be Send It's neck. I mean, if you kept topping up, it can add up and might end up drunk, so be careful. Oh, yeah. No, we won't drink and drive. No drink and drive. 3:47 a.m. Oh, damn. Okay, yeah, please go sleep, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. We'll see you guys soon. Good night. I'm glad you're feeling at home over there. You're sounded and defeated the other night. You sounded so defeated. Bro, I think, like, I can imagine, man, one thing keeps popping up one after the other. I think I would have been hella annoyed as well. But it's good to see him really happy. Eating a nice damn burger. What burger is that? Burger, fries. Dude looks like, you know the photo that they sent to the thing, right? It looks like, you know those AI photos that is like, oh, there's this Indian man who came into my house and he's eating a burger? Where the AI edited and then they prank their husbands and boyfriends. And we're like, babe, there is this guy who's in my thing. He's eating a burger right now. Babe, he's playing with our dog. I'm not even kidding. Like, low-key, if you look at that picture, it looks like those AI things. Yeah, have you seen that trend on TikTok? Have you seen that trend on TikTok where the AI edit the dude in? Yeah, trust me, go to... you guys are not an RSK's thing. But, yeah, the picture looks like that. Looks like they just AI edited him in. Hello, sincerely, Margaret. Yup, rest sounds wise. My God, guys, I've been sick for the past like 3-4 days. I'm not even kidding. I had like serious bad flu. I had a bad cold. I have bad sore throat. But I am getting better. Better. So, that's good. I think I've done everything I need to do. I've also applied for this CBSA declaration to enter Canada. Whoa, bro, why is it so hard to enter Canada, bro? Like, dude, like so many things I have to do, man. But hopefully all that is good. I've applied for everything, took a screenshot of everything. What time is your flight? 9 a.m. You want to know what's really weird? I tell you what's really, really weird. I depart from Singapore at 9 a.m. on the 25th of October, right? I land in Vancouver at 8:45 a.m. on the 25th of October. Bro, I literally am going back in time. You know how weird that is? You take off at 9 on that day and you land earlier on the same day. And the flight is 14 hours. So, if the earth is spinning and we are flying, earth is spinning, are we flying together? Or are we flying against? I think we are flying against. If we are flying together, it will be later. We are flying against. Yeah. Crazy. What is that hairstyle? Yes, against. Let it be, bro. I call it the Albert Einstein. Day 1 of cutting, day 2 of cutting. It is what it is now. I bought some winter clothes as well. I bought a really nice jacket. I bought a beanie. I've never worn a beanie, but I bought a beanie because of my hair. You want to see my beanie, guys? Wait. Bought a beanie so I can hide my stupid hair. How am I looking? Is that a nice beanie? Is that how people wear beanie like this? Can see my big forehead like this? I got to call it gotta call it a toque. The proper Canadian term, no one will notice the hair. I know, right? If I wear a beanie, no one can see the hair. I can just I can let all my hair out here. So they'll think that I actually have like nice luscious hair. Can you see? Look. They'll think like I have nice luscious hair. Wait, where is it? Yeah, nice luscious hair. But then I'm like, pranks on you, you stupid idiot. Hello, Jade, hello. People are going to be like, bro, you've got some of the nicest hair I've seen. Bro, that's such nice hair, bro. Look how long these hair are, bro. Whoa, man. I'm like, yeah, brother. See, you like what you see, huh? Oh, bro. I also bought a jacket. The reason why is because I'll tell you why I bought a jacket. I'm going to Japan as well. So, RSK said he'll lend me his jacket, but then what? It's like a kid size, right? It's not going to fit me. So, I got a jacket. My girlfriend chose this color. I would have gone grey, but she said this, and I was like, it looks kind of cool. Ain't gonna. Let me show you. It's actually like maroonish brown. It looks, honestly, in person it just looks brown. In person it looks brown. I don't know why in the light it looks red, but it's hella comfy, and then it's from Uniqlo, and it was really cheap. So I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, actually looking at it, it looks brown. It's like a brown jacket and short, perfect. Did you get gloves just in case it gets colder than usual? I do have gloves, but my hands are actually quite big. So all the Uniqlo gloves, even the M size, don't fit me, but I do have gloves. But yeah, so this is the jacket. This is the jacket that we have for in case it gets cold, for going outside. Does it ever get cold in Singapore? It doesn't. It never gets cold. But this is more for outdoor because I see RSK wearing this kind of jacket. It's like waterproof outside and then it's like warm inside. So this is for like outdoor. But if I'm going to like DreamHack and all, I'll just wear my sweater, my hoodie, which is the Shakti G one. This is what I wear all the time. This is what I wear all the time. This is what I'll wear at like DreamHack. This is the hoodie I wear at DreamHack. Oh, I want one. Yeah, actually, you know who has one? I think RSK has one. RSK has this. When you ever gonna let us buy it? I don't know. RSK and few Kickstaff have it. Nemanja P has it. Angela has one. And Petar K has one. And then me and RSK has one. 5 people have this. With Shakti G and their names are here. So for RSK, it says kick.com/RSKX. For Kickstaff, it says Kickstaff and then their name. God damn, already in the negatives, eh? Already -1. Okay, so it's good that I brought this so that it's a bit warm. I would buy 2 of them right now. Yeah, but I think mine, guys, I even have, look how cool this is. I even have custom name tags. Look at this. Yeah, and it doesn't go off. And guys, can I just tell you something about these jackets? It is fleece. It is fleece in the inside. It's fleece. This same jacket, the company that made this is a Singapore-based company that has a manufacturing plant in Hong Kong. It is super comfy. And they created a limited edition McDonald's hoodie. Limited edition one for McDonald's. And it's the exact same hoodie material type, only different color. The also was like a light brown, and then it had like embroidery here. But yeah, McDonald's had limited edition hoodies. They only made 100 of them, and it's the exact same thing, only different color, different wordings, obviously colored wordings, but it's the same material from the same company. I actually tracked down the company that made it, and then I told them to make my hoodie. So yeah, that's there. Yo, hello Akio Tatsu. This one in black and grey. This one in black and grey, perfect. You mean the hoodie, black and grey? I don't know why I went for a blue, because actually last time my whole color, or black and green. Oh, actually, yeah, we should probably look into black and green. Could probably make it happen. Black and green. Hello, Zivoni. How are you, Zivoni? But I was thinking of making all my products blue, like blue sweaters, blue shirt, blue pants, blue shorts, blue everything blue. I don't know why, because originally it was blue, right? So I thought it'll be you look good in black. Thank you, man. Are you going to DreamHack too? Yes, we are. The whole purpose of this trip is to go to DreamHack. I still want that Infinite Summer t-shirt. I can't even find it anymore. They don't make it anymore. I only have one. I've been wearing this one forever. How are you? Good. Actually, I was a bit sick for the past few days. Now I feel a bit better. But yeah, I will have to leave soon though, because I'm going to go out for dinner, and then I need to pack my bag. I haven't packed anything yet. So I need to go out for dinner and then pack my bags. But yeah, they had this sweater as well. They had this, but in grey. But I felt they have grey and black, right? But I felt it was too what do you call it? Too common. Like I always see people with like black sweaters or like grey sweaters. This was the first time I saw it, and I was like, it looks unique, looks different. But the color is not doing justice. By the way, I don't even look at this color. This is like it's like a coffee brown, but I don't know why it looks maroon. Yeah. Yeah, black jackets are too common. Yeah, so I thought, you know what? Just have some different colors in there. But yeah, Uniqlo, it's really good quality. I have a yellow jacket. I like that. I think different colors are better. This gray, black, it's nice colors. Those are the kind of things I would go for, and I'm trying to stay away from it because it's yeah, just add some color into my life. Yellow jacket, I think, is quite cool. Hey, thank you for the follow, man. But oh, you're asking MHD, are you going to DreamHack too? Oh, I thought you were asking me. Bad if you try to run from cops. Okay, if you're running away from cops, then there's a problem. And yes, I'm going to bring Nemo everywhere as well. So don't worry, Nemo's going to follow me. Should I bring him for DreamHack Atlanta? It's going to be a bit weird. You know, I'll bring him. I'll just bring him along. Yeah, I also have a kick sweater that I wear all the time. That is probably what I'm going to be wearing at DreamHack. Let me show you. Kick actually gave this to me for free, but it's 2XL, fucking huge. I just need XL, so I'm going to go back there. I'm like, hey, Kick, do you have XL? Please, give it to me. This is too big. But this is what I usually wear. I will donate $100 if you shave your head. Don't worry, I'm cutting it every day anyways. What do you mean? TP67, if you go see my YouTube channel, MHD24. Hey, thank you MHD24 for the gifted 49 to the community. I appreciate it, man. Thank you MHD. Oh, my throat. I probably need to get some water. But thank you. But yeah, I'm cutting it every day as well. And I'm going to continue cutting it. It's going to be a little bit different. I'm planning to cut it in front of Niagara Falls. I'm going to cut it in different locations now. So guys, tune in for the YouTube video. It's going to look really good. Day 81 of cutting one strand of hair for every subscriber I have. Today we are cutting in front of Niagara Falls. You know, you get what I mean? See the vision? Honey and lime. I actually drank honey and lime yesterday. But why you redeem? But yeah. So shit. Do I have to bring this? Chat, will I get stopped in America for bringing a glass of my own hair? Because I always do. Please subscribe. Well, I do. Please subscribe. Where am I going to keep it? Bad idea. What? Why would the immigration stop me? You look weird. What's their problem? Why do you have a can of hair? Maybe I just... You're a famous scammer. Ziploc bag? Bro, that looks even bad. You need to confirm it's yours. Bro, I'll just show them my YouTube channel. I'll be like, oh, so I'm cutting one strand of hair for every subscriber I get. So this is just evidence. Sorry, sir, we'll have to confiscate it. Bro, my heart will break. Yeah, I could say, or it's a religious practice where I have to cut strands of hair every day, and I have to do this so that I have to go to Mount Kailash, which is in India, and I can't stop cutting until I've cut completely bald every day, and then I need to go do some prayers, and then I need to incinerate it. So I think by then, if I bring in like those kind of religions and all, they're gonna be like shit, shit, shit. Yeah, okay, you know what? Yeah, please go through. If I say I'm trying to get, I'm doing it for clout. Bro, I say at immigration, I'm just gonna talk like that. What are you here for? Pleasure, sir. Pleasure. How long are you going to be in Canada for? Approximately 14 days. 14 days in Canada. Then he's going to. But it says that you are departing Canada. Total is 26 days because you enter Canada. Oh yes, sir. Because I'm planning to penetrate America, and then stay in America for a bit, legally, of course, and then extradite into Canada again. And then export myself back to Singapore under 26. Right. Oh my god, imagine. And then it's like, okay, sir, can you please go into this room? Our supervisor will talk to you. And then go into that room. And then I'll be like, then the guy will ask me like, okay, so it'll be like a different guy. And he'll be like, so where are you going? And I'll be like, well, I'll be going to Canada for about 14 days. But the difference is because I'll be actually entering America for DreamHack Atlanta, and I'll be going out. And then that guy will talk to the original guy and be like, yo, what's wrong with you? He's completely fine. It's like, bro, did you hear his Indian accent? And then that guy will be like, he had no Indian accent. Can you imagine? Both of them, like, one will think that I had the strongest Indian accent ever. Another one will think like, this dude spoke the cleanest English. And then both of them will just be like in denial with one another. And it's like, bro, you think that was Indian accent? Is it just because he's Indian? Bro, he sounded more Canadian than you. He's like, brother, he said extradited, deported, penetrate, bro. It was like, no. Bro, that would be so funny. Yeah, I'm not doing it. If you think for a moment I'm doing it, I am not doing it. Exile already got denied. Not denied. Uncertain. You think I'm going to risk my thing from going in? For what? It's not even live streamed. I will tell them nicely. Why are you here for? Business. Hey, no. Pleasure. He can't go. Okay, so he hasn't gotten his ETA thing yet. He's not gotten his visa yet. So right now he's in America. He was supposed to go from LA to Toronto, and I was supposed to meet up with him. He's supposed to be there now, but he can't. So he instead went to another part in America where M-Bags and Ole Dirty Dan is. And he's staying in their house right now. So I will go to Canada with Send It and Pray and Exile and me. So us three on 27 or 26, maybe we'll do it a day earlier so we can be with Exile quicker. We are going to drive down and meet them. It's about 2 hours at Niagara there. And then we're going to spend a few days there. And then drive further down to Atlanta, spend about 5 days there, and then drive back up again. That was clip, man. Bro, exaggerate that 2 dudes and tell again. It was fun hearing that it will be a great clip. What? That was clip, man. Bro, exaggerate that 2 dude and tell again. Brother, if I tell now, it's not funny, man. But it would be funny. It would be funny in real life where both of them are just like in denial. New fan? How you know, man? How did you know I got a new fan? Okay, excuse my ceiling, okay? It looks like it's freaking rotting, but it's not. Why did you just... Whoa. Yeah, that ceiling is quite bad. We haven't painted that ceiling in a long time. In fact, we are planning to paint it. It's like, I think it's $350 to paint it. It's just the paint is peeling off. That's it. The paint is peeling off. I think it's because of the humidity, and I always on the aircon in my room. And then my room, then sometimes it gets like really hot and then really cold and really hot, and then it's just peeling off. It's not that bad. Just part of my ceiling will just fall off every now and then. But it's all good. You're gonna breathe in all of that. Follow me back, bro. Okay, bro, if we play rock, paper, scissors and you win, I'll follow you back. Is that a deal? Just peel it off. Now we need to scrape it and repaint it. I'm stream 2. Okay, let's play rock, paper, scissors. If you win, I'll follow you. Is that a deal? Come. Ready? I'm new to your stream. Can you tell what you do? What do you do stream? Well, it's variety streaming. Like I play gaming, I do challenges. I'm an endurance streamer, and I do a bunch of shit actually. And we do some IRLs as well. Okay, I promise you, I will not change my answer. Okay, I will not change it. Okay, you right? Okay, ready? I'm not gonna look. Just put the answer. Either rock, paper, scissors. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I have my answer. I won't change it. It's right here. I'm not gonna change it. Well, what do you have? Paper? Oh. It is what it is, man. Nah, bro. What do you mean? Bro, it's... Why would anyone go paper? Bro, I'm really good at rock, paper, scissors. I'm not even kidding. Nah, man, that's not fair. Bro, it's all about trust, right? Why did you put paper, bro? Who the f puts paper? Lakag, by the way, I followed you already. I put rock. I followed you. I'm a man of my words. I followed you. You should see a follow there, if I'm not wrong. Always go for always go for scissors. That's what she said. Yeah, I put rock. You put paper. You got it, man. I changed it. I changed it to scissors. I can't lie, man. I just, yeah. Guys, I have a question to ask you. You know the Louvre Museum got broken into and they stole like some jewels and crowns and stuff, right? If you knew that person who did it, okay? It's not your close, it's like, you can say it's like a friend, but not really a friend, not like a close best, you just don't talk. You just know that he did it, okay? Now the police is giving an award for $1 million. Would you rat him out? Kirby, hello, how are you? Hell yeah. I wouldn't tell. Hell, I would. Yeah. Oh, you snitches, bro. You absolute snitches. I wouldn't tell. So Poodle Faker is good. He wouldn't tell. Honestly, me, in a heartbeat. Brother, that name, the full name, his parents' names, mother's maiden name, date of birth, everything I would say. I don't care. If it's one of my parents, I wouldn't tell. Bro, if it's my parents also, I will tell. $1 million, bro. Okay, wait. This looks bad. If it's my parents, I won't tell, okay? Because think about it. If it's my parents and they stole, the items are probably worth hundreds of millions. Technically, it's going to come to me, right? So, yeah, I wouldn't tell. But if they sell all that shit, you can get exactly. You see? I didn't think. I think it's hundreds of millions, bro. I don't think it's 1 million. But the problem is, I think it's hundreds of millions if they sell it as a piece. If they start to disassemble it and sell it as individual diamonds, it loses its overall value. So you're still going to get millions.
Hello, your computer has virus.
Hell yeah! Wow, I opened Kick and who is the scammer on the first slot of the front page? Your boy, Sakti Ji. It's going to take years to sell all of them. I'm telling you, they already have buyers. I'm telling you, this plan was not like an overnight plan. They probably planned it for like 6-7 months. They know the routes. They know the security that is going in. The people, probably the security is also their friend. This is a well thought out, well planned 4-minute crane up, in, take, costume out, gone. It is so well planned that they probably took months planning it. They probably also have buyers for it. They already know once they get what they are getting, they already know the value of it. They probably are going to try to sell in the black market, maybe as a full piece to a big seller, a big buyer, or they're going to dismantle it. They already know every little thing. Right now, I can tell you it's already gone. It's already broken up into small pieces and it's gone. If they are pros, then they're 100% pros, bro. Thought it might depend on what the money was going to fund, etc. Repercussions would be severe and loyalty might be rewarded. Are you talking about parents, huh? Hey man, I can't be here for long. Please have a safe flight. Love you, bro. Enjoy yourself. Brilzy M, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Bro, it's crazy how you were supposed to go to DreamHack Dallas and somehow I'm going to 2 DreamHacks already. We need a Billzy M DreamHack soon. Hopefully they have a DreamHack Melbourne. Dude, I would go to that in a heartbeat, man. Kept in the Wild, I don't know if anyone said this already, but I just want them to get caught for the documentary about the heist and let them go free again. Imagine they sell it to one undercover FBI agent. Bro, that's going to be the stupidest thing. Imagine the FBI agent purposely lets them to break in and steal it so that now that is the act of doing it so that they can jail them. If you snitched, they would want revenge. Actually true. And what if they're part of the mafia? You're going to Canada, Shakti? Yes, we are going to Canada in another 13 hours. 9 a.m. is my flight. And then what's going to happen? Yeah, 9 a.m. is my flight. Tomorrow, we're going to Canada. We're going to meet RSKX and send it there. Probably the European heist gang. They have robbed loads. Yeah, they're definitely gangs, man. From LCG Boy or from Lag Boy. From LECG. Wait, is he streaming now? Dude. Yo. Dude's got motion, man. Lag, thank you. Thank you for sending your community, yaar. I appreciate it. Oh, you're not streaming. Not yet. But yeah, what do you stream anyways? Or GTA? What language is that? Somalia? Somali? No, Arabic? That's in... Brother, you think I won't know Indian? Okay, guys, I will have to leave soon. But before that, no, we are going to do a giveaway today. Hello, but also, just a gentle reminder, I want to do this really quick and get your opinion on what we should add. I want to find some good ones. Yes, sir, Brown. Hello, Kills. Hello, Rosate. Hello. There are a gang who are responsible for many heists who formed out of the former Yugoslavia. I love saying the name Yugoslavia, you know. It's so cool. Okay. There we go. Chat. You know what needs to be done. Can you guys see it? Okay, you guys can see it now. Road trip bingo from Canada to Atlanta. Too small, can't reach it. Okay, is this better? There. Guys, we need more. We need like this many more. So the first one is picture with a guy shorter than RSKX. Get recognized by a stranger. Take a photo with an Indian in Atlanta. We are new, bro. Help. Okay, sure, man. I love you, sir. Masterfy, hello, man. Bro, what, man? We're doing a bingo. Find someone's doppelganger. Guess kick follower count. Get twin a date. RSK, get a girl number who is taller than him. Start a random chant. Get strangers to join the Macarena. Make a Congo line. What else, chat? We need more. What else do you want us? Do you want to see us? RSK getting drunk as shit. Bro, that's... Doesn't even have to be on the bingo cards. He's going to get drunk as shit. 100%. Welcome in, fellow. RSKX crashing out. Have you seen RSKX crashing? Okay, RSKX crashing out. Oh, do a shoey with okay, wait. It's Casey. Do a shoey? Whose shoe? Oh, dude, that's gonna be disgusting, man. But who has to do it? Who do a shoey with Exile? Like, anyone has to do a shoey with Exile? Buy a perfume that exiles will like to date RSK? Yeah, that in order for RSK to get a number, that's probably it. I told some last time, I don't remember. Actually, all those that you told have been added here already. This is disgusting. Do a shoey with Exile? Whose shoe? Just put the beer in. Oh, that's disgusting, bro. Ugh. And then the shoe's going to be wet? Bro. I mean, read my chat, bum. I can't even see it. Oh, Shakti buying a random item that's useless. That's actually kind of easy. But, whoa. We'll just put buying a wait. Wait. God damn it, leave me alone, bro. Buying a random item that is useless. A stranger? Imagine. Yeah, it's a stranger. Random shoe? Yeah, can these emote spammers chill, please? Add when you can see a black column. Nah. We're not gonna do that. Rock, paper, scissors with a stranger for a challenge. Okay. I think it'll be win, rock, paper, scissors with a stranger. Like that. Win, rock, paper, scissors with a stranger. When you seeing an animal they've never seen. Oh, picture with a unique animal. Never seen before animal. So this is quite hard. Get a random person to race you and then just stand there and let them run for nothing. What is that? Bro, I'll do that just for fun anyways. Eat pancakes with Canadian maple syrup. Bro, board, we are definitely doing that regardless. RSK needs to pee in the middle of the road. Nah, that's degenerate. Find a flag of India. Bro, how is that? That's going to be hard. Find a flag of India. Oh, yeah, okay. Find a flag of India. Find an Indian flag. TP a... Okay, we're not going to TP a Canadians. Let a stranger rate your looks. Oh, you know what we could do? We get all the guys to line up and then we get a girl to arrange us. That's a good idea. So what we do, right, is we all arrange ourselves from the best to the worst looking guy. and then we get a girl, a random girl, to rearrange us on who she thinks is first, second, third, or fourth. Right? Like that? Stranger rates our look. Put RSK gets rated as first. Yeah, we'll put him as first and then second, third, fourth, fifth. Like, first is the best, fifth is the worst. Like, we will, as guys, first. I think there's me, there is Sendit, there's RSK, there's Exile, there is, I think, Only Dirty Dan and Twin. So there's 6 of us, 6 guys. So we 6 will arrange ourselves on who we think is the best to the worst. Then we'll get a random girl stranger and ask her to rearrange us. Imagine that being on stream. Oh my god. Okay. But yes, I like that. Shakti Ji, if you see a moose, do not approach it. I thought that was a challenge. Touch a moose. Okay, I'm not going to do it. I'm not even going on the trip, sadly. TP a Canadian's house. When you said TP a Canadian's house, I thought you meant TP like a Canadian's house. I didn't mean his house. Arm wrestling with strangers? Ooh. I like that. Beat a stranger in arm wrestling. Oh my god. Find a guy with only mustache. That's easy, bro. That's very easy. In America, it's very easy. Those guys pride in their single mustaches, man. Hear sorry more than 5 times in 10 minutes. Hear sorry more than... Bro, how are we going to count that? Get 100 people... Can you just say Team Water for me? Team Water, thank you. Just walk away. Ask a stranger if you can wax their... Bro, that is hard. Bro, that's not going to be possible. Let's just say wax him. It depends what part. I think that's fair. I'll bring wax strips. Imagine going to strangers like that. Okay, buddy, hear me out. Can we wax your leg? Get mistaken for Americans? Bro, how do we complete that? I kind of like this buying a random item that is useless. Go to a hockey game. I kind of like that, you know. But how? Get strangers to finish the lyrics. Go to a girl, tell her to forgive you like your life depends on it. Or if not, someone will kill you. If not, follow her feet. Find a wild Karen. These are actually some good ones, you know. That's actually quite a lot. Climb the 100-foot tall Tyrannosaurus in Alberta and have a selfie about... And shot Team Water. Guys, we're going to Atlanta. Find a wild Karen. Go to a hockey game is nice. But I think that one we'll have to plan for it. Do a cringe TikTok dance with the... Bro, it's Casey. You're giving me the worst ones, bro. Do a cringe TikTok dance with a stranger. Get lost in DreamHack. That is naturally going to happen. Wait. Get a man to shave off his mustache. Oh, bro. Okay, wax their arm. Arm wrestle. Like, some of these, I think we can do it. This is a bit crazy, bro. Do a cringe TikTok dance. Do a cringe TikTok dance. This is with the stranger, okay? I just can't add it in because... with a stranger. Find a raccoon? Bro, I just need to ask RSK where his family members are and he'll bring me there. Okay, I'm sorry, RSK. I love your family. Get lost in DreamHack, Zivoni. Trust me, don't even need to try. You will. Tell Americans that they are just South Canadian. Do the trending elevator dance prank with a stranger. Let them dance your famous dance. Pretend to be on the phone near a stranger and say, I got caught blowing smoke. And RSK says hi to you. And you say, what's up, smoke? Wait, sorry. Why am I getting... I got a call from United States of America. I literally got a call from USA. Ooh, get a microphone and randomly perform a... Oh. Perform... Ooh. I like that. You got some oil at home? No, I don't have any oil at home. Call them back. Freedom is calling. FBI is watching us. Wait, find a social media influencer with over 500k followers. Can't pick them if they are recording or streaming or promoting their content. Oh, but that's going to be a bit easy because we are going to DreamHack. There are definitely people with like 1 million followers there. Like XQC is going to be there. Just like, yo, can I take a photo with you? We're literally going to DreamHack Atlanta. Dude's going to be there. Find someone famous who's following you. How does that work? Get soaked on a boat tour in Niagara Falls. Oh my god. Dude, it's Casey. I like that, but then we will have to book a tour and go on that tour. I'm trying to find, like, do things where it doesn't matter the time and place, we can still do it. Because that is like, we have to book a tour and we don't know if like there's a schedule or what's the plans. Like these things we definitely can do because there is no like plan per se, like booking or anything required. What's happening in DreamHack is like a convention, like streaming and stuff. Arm wrestle a big guy DreamHack. I think we got one here. Beat a stranger in arm wrestling. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to get RSK to beat a random stranger. We're not going to get our strongest dude. Send it and pray. No. Take a selfie with 5 Kick staff members kept in the wild. That is so easy, bro. That's really easy. I took a photo with all of them. I took a photo with like 20 of them. Bro, that's quite easy. Do Master Pies 1. Pretend you don't speak English well and have RSK translate for you. Ooh, wait, Master Pies said that? Where's Master? See, even I miss Master Pies 1. Act like you don't speak English and RSK will translate. Okay. So that's really good. I'll be like, so do you the hakung kung 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 kung? And then RSK is like, so what he's saying is, this thing. Then I'm like, so he was saying in Chinese that, and then like let him translate what he wants to translate. He could be like a complete dickhead about it. I like that. I like that. Let's put it here. You know what? I feel like we can do this. Picture the guy shot at RSK. RSK gets a number, buying a renda, get our stranger. Look, this diagonal. Oh, by the way, we're going to try to complete everything, okay? I'm just saying. So how do you say that? Act like you... It's all 14. Dude, the wax is going to be hard, bro. I probably have to pay someone like 50 USD. Can we pay to win, chat? Can we pay to win? Okay, probably not. Oh my god. Okay. 14. Okay, act like you don't speak English. RSK translates. Nice! Steal one thing from each... Steal one thing from each Kickstaff member? Go to a famous streamer you like, try to rage bait them or argue with them or any of your ideas. Oh, Omni, bro, dude, I'm trying to get on good terms with people, bro. We want to see that. This one will be funny. Yeah, we should do this. I think we can do that. Oh, dude, I like this KC one. Get unreasonably hyped about a booth for a game you've never played to score free shit. Okay, so act excited at a booth to get free things. Can you imagine? It's gonna be like, oh my god, I've always wanted this. Bro, this is my dream. Bro, since when I was a child, I always wanted to play this game, but I never got. I'm going to be honest, I can never afford it. And my parents will never allow me to have, bro, like, it might be asking too much. But can I please get like a code or a game code for this, please, man? And then we try to get free shit. You know what? We're not going to do it to one booth. We're going to do it to as many fucking booths we can. We're going to scam as many DreamHack booths as we can. I'm not even kidding. I'm gonna get as many free shit as possible from DreamHack. Complete a dare from a stranger. Brother, it's Casey. That's what you are giving. Though you're not a stranger. Follow a stranger until they creep out and act nonchalant about it. Bro. My message is pinned. I can't see the pinned. I actually can't see the pinned messages. Oh, speaking in a girl's voice through But I can do that though. There's been too much. Yeah, bro, in America, you think I want to just follow someone and then the guy randomly is like, Wagwan breath. And I'm like, my name is Christopher. No, right? It's America, follow a stranger, you'll get shot. Exactly. So I think that's out of the thing. Like these things I can like ask them, you know, like, hey, would you, if I do something like that, I think it's going to be weird. I like this. Hello. Okay, order, you know what? Order food with girl's voice. Drive-through. I like that. There, this is good. Hello. Can I get a Big Mac with some fries? Where's the girl? What the f? They'll be so confused, bro. That follow a streamer until they notice, convince RSK he slept through the whole thing. Ooh, I like that, but I think he would see that. I think he would see it because I'm going to send this. So I'm going to say, I was thinking of printing it out and I thought digitally it's going to be better. So I'm just going to send everybody this. We're going to try to complete it. And then when we complete it, we're just going to put an X on it or something. So if he already knows RSK slept through the whole thing, he will sort of know it. This, there are some that most, like we got RSK twin here. And then we got RSK here as well. Don't forget, Twin is also will be. I'm not sure if he's streaming, but he will. We can get other people who are with us part of this whole challenge thing. So it doesn't have to be just us doing it. Nah, man. In a girl's voice, order a butter chicken in McDo or any stall food. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Whether it's drive-through or in person, I'll just order it. Change someone's phone time and convince them that they travel back to the past. Zivoni, that's the thing. It's good. I think it's really good as a prank, but he's going to see it. Like, I'm going to send this to people. I already know people who are coming to DreamHack that knows me. So I can't. There are people that I know who are going to DreamHack that know me. I mean, you know what? We could always just like have part part one. Hear me out. We can always have part one and part two. Hey, 2 bingo cards. Win a geo match against a random person. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like that. Spam people until you on DreamHack. This is everything. This is Canada. This is Atlanta DreamHack. This is for everything. Chess. Trade a penny until you... Ooh, you know what? I like that. Trade a penny. No, yeah, penny to $100. Let's make it 100. It can be anything worth $100, okay? Trade a penny to trade a penny to $100. Yeah, trade a penny to $100 worth. I think that's quite cool. Okay, you know what? Part 2. That's a lot of things, bro, to complete. I mean, to just complete this already is going to be hard. If we can complete both bingo cards, part 1 and part 2 bingo cards. I mean, to be fair, I'm there for almost a month, 26 days. What's the giveaway about? How to join? You just have to watch the stream every day for, and every minute you watch, you get 1 point. I'll just yell out shit. I know you, Scott Twain, don't you dare. Wait, where is this? I want to just write. Then, okay, let's add these ones. Complete dare from a stranger. Let me just add these in as well. It's an easy one. When a friend is having a conversation with someone, start repeating everything they're saying in character until you break character or they get annoyed. How do I write that in 5 words? Shouting, do not redeem at DreamHack. Bro, you know I can do that without it being a chat. Okay, you know what? But we'll just add it. Shouting, do not redeem at DreamHack. Oh my god. You know, it's Casey. Have you seen that thing where someone's on the phone and then you are replying to that person's conversation? Interrupt someone in character. Okay, wait. When a friend is having a conversation with someone, start repeating everything they're saying in character. So what, like in an Indian accent, like hello, how are you, like that? Or like, are they like talking on the phone and like, oh, hello, so how are you today? And I'm like, I'm doing fine, but I'm also on the phone. And I'm just like, it looks like I'm replying to them, but I'm actually on the call. Man, how can we complete these guys? They have 3,600 points. I can't win. I mean, they've been here for months. Make them laugh. Ooh, I like that. What if we do a try not to laugh? Try not to laugh live segment. So, make a random stranger laugh. So it's like a try not to laugh. Make the whole crowd in DreamHack do the dance with you. Do we send funny vids? Act like a... Bringing random things into DreamHack. Find 10 people and guess their ethnicities and where they're from. Ooh, like career ladder. Ooh, convince a Twitch streamer to stream on Cake. You, man. I like that. Are you going to Niagara Falls? Yeah, we are going to Niagara Falls. Find 10 people and guess where they're... I like this. To find... Guess 10 people's country. Yo, Alpo99, how are you, man? Hello, I have a request to you. It seems funny. Okay, here's my idea. A friend of you tell you by gestures how you reply on the phone. You need to call a random friend of you while wearing a headset with loud music. 2-minute challenge on the phone. Okay. I know what you mean. Yeah, like IRL GeoGuessr. I like that. I like that. Friend of you tell you by gestures how to reply on the phone. This is very similar to... Guess what he's saying? But Elpo99, I'll take a screenshot. I think this is games we can play when we are streaming in the house. But not so much as a challenge, but I think it's a fun game. I like that. I like that. I took a... Chain yourself to a random... Wait, find 10 people who can't swim and give them $50 to jump in water. Stable. Hey, no, bro. No. Kick streamer drowns, 10 people? Dude, chain yourself to a random stranger. You know what? I like that. We'll buy handcuff, or we'll put handcuff. Handcuff to a random stranger for... give us a time, bro. Like, 30 minutes. For 30... it's too long. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. A random stranger for 30 minutes. No one's going to say yes. We'll try to buy handcuffs. You don't know the one on the phone what he's saying, but someone is trying to help you. Yeah, I get what you mean. You'll be like, I can't hear what he's saying, but I have to read his lips or his gestures and then reply in that way. On Niagara Falls on the road trip, go tour guide and tell him, hello, how are you? I'm under the water. Please help me. There's too much. Brother, Clever, you know I'll do it for free. This is funny. Bringing random... This is also funny. Convince a Twitch streamer to stream on Kick. But yeah, we've got a few more. I think this is pretty good. We've got really good ones here. Do a Shui with Exile is wild, but we do have some good ones here. If you guys have more, just let me know. But we do need to do a spin. Ask someone to pick out a temp tattoo for you to put it on. Yes. They have temp tattoos that win in DreamHack, I'm pretty sure. Get a temp tattoo. By a stranger. Yeah, I get the. I just write it short form, but yeah. I did this with my father. It was so much fun. Dressed like a. Okay, yeah, no. You know what? Yeah. Throw a bag and say run. Shakti, do you remember my birthday? Yes, it's on one of these months. Blindfolded, get RSK to guide you through DreamHack for 5 minutes. Voice on. Bro, what is this, bro? It's like backseat drivers, bro. How about back seat drivers in real life? Wait, can I get banned for this? 404? If we go to an empty car park, I blindfold myself. Okay, yeah, you know what? 404. If I go to an empty car park, blind myself, and RSK says, okay, straight. Okay, slowly. Right. Straight. Left. It's 404. It's 100%. I'm going to get viral for what? Do two people play backseat drivers in real life? Well, technically. Is it illegal? Yes, it is. You need to temp hair color with fake piercing, like emo vibes. I already have piercing. It's just a hair color. I barely have any hair in the first place. You know what? If you're in a go-kart, no 404. Yeah, but I need to get a go-kart. Get 10 people to play. Oh, wait. Is there a 2-seater go-kart? Okay. We can try and find it. The 2-seater go-karts. We can try and find that. Get 3 blindfolded. One can hear, one can speak. One and travel for more than an hour. That's actually a good one. Get a fake hair color. I think RSK would do that. Get RSK to put on an adult diaper and take a picture with him next to send it. It's Casey. You do realize that he can do that, right? That's easy. Get 10 people to play The Floor is Lava. Ooh. What do we do? What do we do? Actually, we can play this game, The Floor is Lava, in the house. I like that. I think these... Wait, I want to take screenshots of these. I think these are good games to play when we are bored. Dancing Tunuk with a famous streamer. Oh, I actually don't know who... So I dance with myself? Char. Joking. I was going to suggest get RSK to go half naked with a nappy and play Baby Steps IRL, but that's a little too... Baby Steps in IRL. What if we did chain together IRL? Like backseat drivers in real life? Oh my god, wait. Chain. And then I'll be chained to RSK. RSK will be chained to Send It and Pray. Send It and Pray will be chained to like Exile or another streamer. Oh my god, that's brilliant. So backseat drivers in IRL, chained together in IRL. Baby steps, but how do I control RSKX? Left, right, left. He still can't walk. Bro, chained together in IRL, I think is quite good. If we can find a belt and then we just add chains, and we're walking around in DreamHack, all 4 of us chained together, and bro, that is a brilliant thing. That's funny as hell. I like that. That's so good. It's Casey. That's a great idea. Convince someone to subscribe to your YouTube account on the spot and you'll cut 10 strands of hair. One. Clever silly. I like this, but I think it's that's too much like about me. Only turn left. Oh my god. Oh my god. Only turn left for 1 hour. Read mine. Where is yours? Read mine. Where is your... Have RSK call you and give you the phone to a stranger and do your girl voice pretending I met the guy before and yeah, I think this is a prank. Like these kind of pranks, we definitely can do it. But as a bingo card, I think it's good. It's only I like it as a prank. I think we can do those kind of pranks. Accent roulette. Oh my god! Each person must talk in a random accent for 10 minutes. I like that. Accent roulette for 10 minutes. So basically, we all have to spin a wheel, and then whatever accent we get for 10 minutes, we just have to speak like that. Like all of us, not just one person, all of us. Randomly walk up to a stranger and make up a sad story for yourself in character to get sympathy and tell them you're just fucking. My grandfather actually died from stage 5 bone marrow cancer. And during that time, actually, my grandmother was pregnant with my dad. So I never got to see my grandfather growing up. This left a huge trauma on my grandmother. And my dad eventually grew up and he had this trauma for cancer. But he also ended up getting cancer. And I'm just fucking with you, man. Both of them are still alive. Imagine, bro. When they start crying, it's like, it gets really hard sometimes. Just thinking about the fact that I couldn't spend that joy and having someone to call it grandfather. Dude. And then be like, Gary! Oh my god, bro. Dude, that is so mean. Bro. Nah. Shock collar on each leg, zap for... Shock collar on each leg. Small zap for each leg for baby steps. Who's the one walking? Because it's not going to be me. I ain't walking. Ask a random person to take a photo of you all and then scream. Ask a random person to take a photo of you all and then scream? Why? He's not Hassan, little bro. RSK can be my Kaya. Okay, too soon. I don't know if you'll understand this, but here's another one. Random object story. Each person picks one object in the car and make up a dramatic movie plot about. Ooh, that's actually a fun... That's actually a fun thing. Random person take a photo, you all, and then... So what? After he takes a photo, we all just like... Like that? Bro, how... What? Why? Find 5 people who can speak 3 or more languages. Oh, okay. I like that. Find 5 or more people who... Wait, find 5 people who can speak more than 3 languages. Did I spell languages correctly? Yeah. Damn. Or ask someone to take a video of you and then shout, why are you taking a video of me? That's actually good. No. You know what's good? Give someone a piece of paper, ask them if they can hold it for me. And then it's like, hey, can you just hold this paper for me? And then you walk by and it's like, you just sign your autograph and walk away. Dude. Have you seen that? Ask someone to record you for your partner's birthday and say, hello, I'm so happy you're turning 14. I miss you. But I like that idea though. I like that thought. No, drop the paper and when someone tries to give it back to you, sign it. Oh yeah. Yeah, like that. Drop the paper when returned, sign it. I hope they understand. Drop the paper when returned, sign it for them. There we go. That's good. That's good. That's good. Wait, what's the one? To see guy into more things for this, hand out random objects to people to hold for you. And into more things for this, hand out random objects to people to hold for you and then walk off. Dude, that's actually funny. How are we gonna do that? Yeah, that's it. Imagine they don't care, they don't give it back. Oh shit, I read that wrong. Do a karaoke singing along with the stranger. Let them finish the next line. Yeah, it's finish the lyrics. Okay, so stranger has to finish the lyrics. Okay, stranger has to finish the lyrics. Okay. Here's a whole so give motivational messages on paper to strangers. Ooh, I like that. No, give motivational. You can do it. And then it says turn behind. They look behind. It's like, just kidding. You are a failure. Imagine. Dude, imagine. Give fake motivational quotes to people. Oh, that's really mean. But imagine their reaction. But you know what? Let's do give motivate. Yeah, I like that. Like we can do it from a distance, and then someone can go and give something and just walk off. I like that. Give motivational quotes to strangers. Give motivational quotes to strangers. I like that. I like that. I like that. Give someone a wallet in panic and then someone else walks up to them and accuse them of stealing. Bro, we might get in trouble for that, bro. High five challenge. Try to collect 20 high fives in 10 minutes from random people. I like that. Collect 20 high fives from strangers. That's a good one. That's a karaoke. Imagine the wallet. Yeah, give motivational quotes to strangers. That's also a good one. Walk up to a stranger and say nothing. Say something 100% wrong with total coincidence. Go to a stranger and say something 100% wrong with total confidence. So basically, gaslight a stranger. Gaslight a stranger. Compliment another streamer's merch, like you're sponsored by them. Big glaze. How does that work? It's Casey. How does that work? Okay, guys, anyways, since you're the flat earth guy, why not debate IRL? You know what? Debate that earth is flat. There we go. Done. that includes Elpo 99 thing with Masterpiece one. What if we compliment another streamer's merch and ask if we can have it? But nah, I don't know if they will give it to us. Do an Indian pickup line to a random girl like you are a masala because you're hot. I can't. I've got a girlfriend. But someone else can do it. Use Indian pickup lines. Doesn't have to be me. Tell restaurants that you and RSK got engaged that day and see if, you know what? RSK, 2 guys engaged, try to get a free dessert maybe. Apply a sticky note to RSK's back. You all just hate RSK that much or what? Put... Okay. Secret challenge. This one, I will put a sticky note on RSK's back saying, like there'll be a sticky note, I'll stick it on his back and it will just say, congratulate me, we are getting a baby. Like that. Congratulate me, we are getting a baby. And then people just, yo, congrats on the baby, man. Hey, bro, congrats on the baby, bro. Yeah. But we don't tell RSK that, okay? No one tell RSK that. That shall be our secret challenge, where you'll just stick a thing on his back and it says, congratulate me, we're having a baby. Can you imagine this? Yo, congratulations, man. Can you imagine his streams, people? Yo, congratulations on the baby, man. And I'll put maybe the thing there saying, don't mention this sticker, close bracket. Fake gender reveal in DreamHack. Fake food reviewer. Go to a street vendor and ask strangers to join your YouTube food review. Oh my god, yeah. Fake YouTube food reviews. Okay, let's do that. Fake YouTube food reviews. And then we get like their opinions and shit. Fake gender reveal in DreamHack. How do we do that? Fake gender reveal. Me and RSK are having a boy. Chat. Okay, real quick. I have to go already. But we've got a lot of good ones. We've got a part 1 and part 2. We'll be there for what? Almost a month. So I'm pretty sure we can try and complete a lot of this. We just have like 4 more. So try to sell random stranger an object. I like that. Sell a random object in Indian voice. Bro, that's easy. I'm just gonna get like a mug and be like, buddy, listen, this mug very good drinking water. For you, special, but must be profit. We must make a profit out of it. It can't be at a loss. Must profit. There we go. Must profit. But it doesn't even have to be me. It can be anyone else. Or it could be all of us. The first person to sell a random object in an Indian voice and we profit wins. There are 2 color, blue and red, but now bring us the green color. Congrats, you have Shrek, baby boy. Just finished the 3 things. Bro, I really have to go now, man. Is there... I'm already late, actually. Chat, refresh your page. As soon as this is done, I'm going to spin the wheel. On a restaurant, after you are eating, ask the waiter who cooked the food. The food was delicious. Bro, you know what I'm scared of? It's America. I'm scared that it's America and I'm scared to do that. I would love to do that, like a prank.
Do not read him! Do not read him! Do not read him the card!
Alright, please do show me. Do the John Henry Burger Challenge in Atlanta. What is that? Oh my god, okay. Do the John Henry Burger Challenge. We can try it out. 2 more, chat. 2 more. It's a big hamburger. Okay, Exa can try. Or maybe we all can just try and finish it. Although it's not really a challenge. One person has to finish it. But maybe we all can just sit and try it. Just for the fun of it. Start a random story with a stranger and ask them to finish it however they want. Oh my god. Swap pants with a stranger. Oh fuck, that's hard. Narrate a friend's every month for X time in an Indian voice or every move. He takes 5 steps forward, looks at the lady, says, wow, she... Ooh. Be the narrator. I like that. Be the narrator for your friend in Indian voice. So he goes there and he's like, I would like to buy this. Said the Indian man. No, said the short man as he stared into the eyes with not love but lust. Like that. RSK just trying to buy something and then me just giving a narration over it. Right? Be the narrator for your friend. I would like one. He said he would like one, but truly he would like to get one and buy one for free. Buy one and get one for free. Secretly admired the waitress, but he was not interested in the woman. Instead, he was interested in the man. Dude, can you imagine just narrating him? Oh, that would be funny. Dude, okay. Invisible friend challenge. Walk with the completely invisible friend. Open doors for them. Talk. Oh, that's actually a good one. And you know what? All these kind of pranks, I think we can do it. Doesn't have to be in this board, but we can definitely do it. Convince someone to do the Titanic pose. Hey, yo, Captain the Wall. I also like that. I will definitely keep all this, even though it's not here. I would love to do it. Can you tell a friend he's not supposed to stand there? Watch them try to play along. Can you tell my friend he's not supposed to stand there? Watch them try to play along. You have hella things already. Going to be honest, it's going to be hard to finish them all. We can do it. It's a lot. We got 30 days. We're going to start knocking these things off live on stream. So guys, okay, I'm going to do a quick spin the wheel. If you guys want to watch that, tomorrow I'm flying to Canada. And then when we are live streaming, we are going to show you everything. And it's going to be fun. We're going to try and complete as much of these challenges that you have given us. And more, like for example, if I just want, I'll just go to random, like, hey, can we do the Titanic pose? If he says yes, I'm going to do the Titanic pose and shit, even though it's not on the thing. So be sure to enjoy that. Alright, chat, I hope you all have refreshed your screens, and I'm going to spin in 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Hello from the other side. I need to leave in like 5:30. No, my bad. Not enough points, buddy. I have 15 minutes to get ready and leave. Oh my god. And the winner is... Chat, we should transfer all this money by today. So don't worry, by today, all the winners should get transferred already. And then from tomorrow, there won't be a stream because of the time difference. Oh, you were so close to Sean Malari, but it's Celine Marbert, 23, who's not here. Damn. Celine MRBT. Celine MRBT is not here. Be safe on the road trip. So close, so close. I know SNLLMRBT is not here. Not here, I'm just going to spin. For sure it's not here. Thank you guys. This will be the last stream for today. Tomorrow there won't be a stream. And then the following day, we should have a stream. On the 26th, I think. Yeah. Probably. But again, guys, the timing is going to be so different. Who are in the spin? We've got 1,321 entries. Oh my god, Ace Pogi. Is Ace Pogi here? Oh, that's really close. TM... Oh, Jerwin 24. I don't think it's Jerwin. TM 1005. You know what? TM 1005. If you come here, I'll give it to you. But I don't think you're here either. I don't think TM 1005 is here. Was so close to Jerwin and so close to Sean Malari too. $893 points. Just give it to me. Just give it to me then and go. Who are in the spin? Can you tell me again? Net Buffett. We have over 1,321 entries. But you can have multiple entries. Lions. Is Lions here? No, Red Pinda and Mont Saints is not here. I don't think it's going to land on Master Pie. Red Pinda and Mont Saints are not here. What is happening? We're doing the giveaway, Sincerely Margaret, just in time. Red Pinda is definitely not here. Did you add my entry from today? Today's one, no. Today's one, no, because I will add it later on, and we are doing 20 spins when I come back. How to enter? Just watch, and when you get 1,000 points, you can type in ! entry. How many spins today? One spin. One spin today. Watch stream, get channel points and enter. Yeah, that's it. Just watch the stream, you get 1 point every minute. Oh yeah, also note, guys, when I'm streaming in, when I'm overseas in Canada and America streaming, we are doing 2 points per minute. So it's going to be double. You're going to get 2 points every minute that I'm streaming in America. Oh my god, no way, it's twin. Oh, I think it's Joseph G, you know. It's Joseph G, are you there? It's Joseph G! It's Joseph G. That's it. Joseph G. That's it. It's Joseph G. Did the app... you know what? I haven't even tried it out. I've been using my girlfriend's... There we go. I'm not here. Congratulations! It's Joseph G. Now, it's Joseph G. Can I ask you, would you like... Wait, giveaway safe. Would you like to spin the wheel? It's Joseph G. Would you like to... spin the wheel? Always on 1,500 near jackpot. Bang. Out of my hands. Out of my hands. And Omi, if you're wondering what you get money. We give away $25 every day. USD. We give away 25 USD away every day. And when we are back on the 16th of November, bro, we are going to be giving away over 500 USD. Ooh, it might land on 1.5k, you know? Okay, maybe... Ooh. Nope. Maybe 200? Maybe 100? 1.6k. A bit more, a bit more, a bit more. Beautiful. 1.6k. Congratulations, bro. 1.6k is pesos, by the way. It's Philippine pesos. Congratulations. This is all the people we've paid off already. Look at this. 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 5 month. Congratulations to... It's Joseph G. Congratulations. Wait, what? 24. You will get 1,600. To everybody here, you all should get paid by today. To Uncle Mark, Clevercilia, Velvet, Sean Malari, Jervin, Joseph, you guys should get paid by today. I will send it to you by today. Except for Velvet, I still need to find out how to pay her. But apart from that, all of you guys should get it by today. Do you need a clipper, Shakti Ji? Probably in the future. Yes, actually, I need it right now already. But all right, chat, I will make a move. I have to go right now for dinner. Otherwise, I'm already late. I need to change up. As you all know how I usually end my live streams all time, I'm just going to end, okay? Because I don't have time for any reading. I'm very sorry. As you all know how I usually end my live stream all time, every time is by saying PayPal. Okay, well, I'll reach out to you on Discord. You can just email me your PayPal and I will transfer it. As you all know how I usually end my live stream all time, every time is by saying a thank you and come again. Guys, I will see you guys at... the next time you guys will see me will be probably in RSK's house with RSK and Send It. So we'll be meeting RSK in person. We're going to Canada. Safe flight. Thank you guys. No, stop. I will see you guys not tomorrow because tomorrow will be my flight. It's a 21-hour journey once I landed there. MJ Bond! Oh my god! Wait, I did... Bro, I'm not even kidding. My finger was hovering over stop streaming. Bro, what if I click stop streaming and you gifted? Dude, just gifted it in the nick of time, bro. Oh my god! Imagine I ended and he gifted. I would hop back on stream so quickly. Oh my god, bro. MJ Bond was like, go through. Yo, MJ Bond! Wait. Thank you so much for 100 gifted subs. Yo, I appreciate you. I appreciate this. Thank you so much. How's my mom always here when MJ Bond gives? Oh no, she's next door. I probably was screaming. Bond got good timing, bro. 007 levels. Bro, MJ Bond gifted me a sub of your channel for 1 month. Probably, thank you. Yeah, he did. You got the egg. MJ Bond 007. As usual, thank you so much for 100 gifted. Bro, that's crazy. Your mom equals MJ Bond. No, she's next door. I think I screamed. So she probably like... heard me. Correct, I heard you shouting. Dude, there was one time I was playing game and I was screaming. She messaged me saying, Shakti, I cannot sleep. Shit. So I need to be a bit quieter. But MJ Bond, thank you so much for 100 gifted subs. Bro, that's going to help hugely when I'm traveling to America, especially because holy shit, I think America prices are high. But thank you so much. I'm going to use that money and try to create as many good memories and content for everybody here. Yeah, I actually want to go to like museums and shit. And if we can go to the Niagara Falls boat thingy, we'll see what we can do. But MJ Bond 007, thank you for 100 gifted. It's going to go towards our Canada Atlanta trip. Thank you so much, MJ Bond. I appreciate it. I love you. Second spin sponsored by the Saudi Prince. Okay, guys, I have to go. If I don't go, I'm going to be late for my dinner. No, because I'm going out with my girlfriend for dinner. Enjoy your trip. MJ Bond, thank you. Thank you everybody for being here. Sincerely, Margaret, Poodle Faker, it's Joseph G. It's Joseph G. We'll do 2 spins. We'll do it for today. We'll do an extra spin, but we'll add it to the November 16 when we spin for everybody. Enjoy your trip. Catch you soon. Alex Alamar, see you guys. Guys, November 16, make sure you all are there at 5 p.m. Okay, there's going to be 20 spins. Or now 21. I don't want anyone to miss out. I will update all of you guys on my Discord and keep you all in the loop. Have a nice time, dude. Yes, guys, don't worry. Everything is going to be streamed, okay? Like the car journey, the trip, the road trip, the places we stop at, Niagara Falls, DreamHack Atlanta, Canada, us exploring Atlanta. Everything will be streamed. And you guys are going to have a I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of IRL as well. Okay, see you. Safe trip. Bye. My birthday is in 10 days. Oh, I'll be in Canada or America. Please message me again. Don't spoil too much. Yeah, I won't. Okay, take care. Bye. I'm going to be late. See you once again. MJ Bond. Holy shit balls, mother of all Lord. Dude, gifted right at the right moment. Okay, thank you. As you all know how I usually end my live stream all time, every time for the second time around is by saying a thank you and bye. You know it because I did it 2 times now. See you. Bye. Love you guys. Thank you. And come again. Velvet Geisha, message me, Velvet, on Discord for your PayPal. Love you guys. See you guys. Take care. Thank you. Thank you. Safe trip. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Love you guys. And thank you all for your ideas for the bingo. Huh? Bye bye. MJ Bond, huge W's. Thank you. Love you too. I'm still here. I can't leave. I'm kidding. Bye bye.